So Ahmed, where is Salam Mobile on its digital transformation journey, and what benefits have you seen so far?
Okay. Salam and Salam Mobile are two different brands to the same companies. We offer mobile services, mobility for both B2B and B2C. We have multiple stacks for every line of business. With all the stacks that we have, we kicked off the transformation journey from uh, July 2023. Choose Oracle as our main partner for technology providing, and we are halfway through this journey. We have release 1, release 2 for B2B and B2C mobility, fully launched commercially, tagged with a full DR that is functioning 100%. We have done dry run. We operated the entire organization for 1 full week from the DR as a proof that it is stable, reposed. With our partners, we have achieved more when what we even targeted for.
What is the main goal of the transformation? Is it to save money? Is it to generate new revenue? Is it just to provide the customer with a better experience? Why are you doing this?
So with the landscape of Salam, there is a need to consolidate, have the latest technology to pack the business growth. So we put a balanced scorecard. We are measuring our progress in the transformation for revenue generating. Definitely we wanted to increase the revenue. We also wanted to maintain a lower risk from an operation point of view and reduce our OpEx, which will give an agility and scalability to where we wanted to go first.
It's very impressive. And obviously you've chosen Andrew. Oracle's right in the middle of this transformation. I mean, Andrew, let me ask you, were there particular characteristics of the Salam transformation which were challenging? I mean, what made it an interesting case study for you to work on?
As a successful and established operator, they brought a fair degree of business complexity to the table, right? A lot of different product sets, a lot of different customer journeys, a broad array of segments that they were servicing. So in common with most transformation journeys, you're bringing a long-standing established set of business, capabilities into that transformation journey. I think at the same time, they said the common theme of you need to do that while the business is still evolving. And so these transformation programs can't shut the business down. It needs to be able to still
You have to change the wheels while the car's moving along.
Exactly that, precisely.
Wow.
Their focus on digital has also been quite extreme, and the need for this not just being a modernized stack, but a capability to transform their business.
How do you modify the services to account for those bespoke differences that you see, not just between a consumer and a white-collar business, for example, but with other types of businesses which have their own unique requirements from the network?
One of the limitations that we had before is exactly as you highlighted, a limited capability to scale. With the full the Oracle suite, the digital business experience that we are using, we have this flexibility. So of course, the core, you need to leverage as much as you can from the core and limit the changes. But there is a significant level of flexibility that you can go and customize this. So for the journey of the lead to cash or order to activate is coming very well with the business. We might do some enhancements or customization here and there, but that's mostly because we wanted to go as a digital first. So we wanted to push more to the digital channels and maintain the core to remain on the heavy lifting of the part.
Andrew, I mean, obviously, Salam is in the vanguard of these type of digital transformations. What do you think we can expect in the future, in the next few years, to be added to networks like theirs? What are the new technology developments? Is AI going to play a bigger role? What do you see coming down the pike?
Yeah, I mean, I think if I look at the transformation landscape, I'd probably pick three, I think, key themes that are going to be really pervasive in what customers are trying to do in the next 3 years. The first one is, the patience for 5 to 7 year transformation programs is gone in this industry. You need express programs, you need, fast time to market so you can start to get a return on
So
those
what,
new
like
deployments.
3 months?
Well, if you look at it in a phased perspective, we've achieved those kind of timeframes on segment level with Salam.
Wow.
And really the key to that is their decision to come to us and to take a fully pre-integrated stack like digital business experience, right? So, I think we're going to see a lot more of moving into that kind of solution because of that drive for speed. The digital focus is going to also be pervasive. Everybody is going to have to prepare to be a fully digital business. And that, I have to say, isn't just driven by, the movement of consumer into that as a channel preference. It's because as we move more into industrial applications and, IoT enabled capabilities as being the end customer, you have to be digital to service an application like that. And the third thing is everybody needs AI and they want AI and they want it now. And it has to happen in parallel to these transformation programs. It can't be, let's transform the stack and then let's think about putting some AI capabilities in our business. And I think those for me are the three big things, which, as I said, we're already fully engaged on here with this partner.
Well, you guys obviously have a great partnership. I'll stop being the third wheel. And thank you so much for sharing this. What an extraordinary case study that is. Thanks, guys.
Absolutely.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.